Afghanistan, a landlocked nation at the crossroads of Central and South Asia. With a history spanning millennia, it has been a focal point of cultural exchanges, conquests, and resilience. Today, we'll journey through Afghanistan's rich history, explore its cultural heritage, and provide essential information for travelers considering a visit. Afghanistan's history is a tapestry woven with threads of ancient civilizations, empires, and dynasties. From the Achaemenid Empire to the Greco-Bactrian Kingdom and later the Islamic Caliphates, each era has left an indelible mark on the nation's cultural and historical landscape. In the 20th century, Afghanistan underwent significant transformations from monarchy to republic and through periods of conflict and reconstruction. As of August 2021, the country is officially known as the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, governed by the Taliban. The political landscape remains complex, with ongoing developments shaping the nation's future. Afghanistan's terrain is predominantly mountainous, featuring the majestic Hindu Kush range interspersed with arid plains and fertile valleys. The climate varies from arid to semi-arid, with hot summers and cold winters. Spring and autumn are considered the most pleasant seasons for travel, offering moderate temperatures and blooming landscapes. Home to approximately 35 million people, Afghanistan is a mosaic of ethnic groups including Pashtuns, Tajiks, Hazaras, and Uzbeks. The official languages are Pashto and Dari, reflecting the nation's rich linguistic heritage. Islam is the predominant religion, deeply influencing Afghan culture, traditions, and societal norms. Afghanistan's economy is primarily based on agriculture, mining, and trade. Key agricultural products include wheat, fruits, and nuts, while the country is also rich in mineral resources like lithium and copper. The official currency is the Afghan Afghani, or AFN. Travelers are advised to carry local currency as credit card facilities are limited. Despite challenges, Afghanistan boasts a wealth of attractions for the intrepid traveler. Here are some highlights. 1. Band-e-Amir National Park, Afghanistan's first national park, renowned for its stunning series of deep blue lakes nestled amidst limestone canyons. 2. Herat's Great Mosque, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture with intricate tile work and a rich history. 3. Bamiyan Valley, famous for the niches that once housed giant Buddha statues and its breathtaking natural beauty. 4. Kabul's Gardens of Babur, a historic park offering a serene escape in the heart of the capital. 5. Panjshir Valley, known for its scenic beauty and historical significance, particularly in resistance movements. Given the current political situation, potential visitors should exercise extreme caution. It's imperative to consult updated travel advisories from reliable sources and consider the necessity of travel plans. Safety conditions can change rapidly and access to certain areas may be restricted. Afghanistan's rich history and cultural heritage stand as testaments to its people's resilience and spirit. While current circumstances may pose challenges, the nation's legacy continues to inspire and captivate those who delve into its story.